Welcome to our video on what happens to your body when you eat oatmeal every day. What if we told you that there's something about oatmeal that can completely change the way you look at your breakfast? Sure, oatmeal is healthy, but there's a lesser-known side effect that will totally surprise you. We're about to discover one unexpected benefit that will make you see oatmeal in a whole new light. Now let's get started. First things first. What's in oatmeal that makes it so great for our health? Oatmeal is rich in fiber, particularly a type of soluble fiber called beta-glucan. This fiber helps reduce LDL cholesterol, also known as the bad cholesterol, which can lower your risk of heart disease. According to research published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition, consuming oats can lower cholesterol levels by as much as 5 to 10% when incorporated into a balanced diet. But the benefits don't stop at your heart. Oats are also packed with antioxidants, vitamins like B1 and B5, and essential minerals like magnesium and zinc. These nutrients work together to boost your immune system, improve your skin, and promote overall wellness. Another major benefit of eating oatmeal daily is its positive impact on digestion. Thanks to its high fiber content, oatmeal can help regulate your digestive system, easing constipation and promoting regularity. Studies show that the beta-glucan in oatmeal forms a gel-like substance in your gut, which slows digestion and keeps you feeling fuller for longer. Not only does this help with weight management, but it also feeds the good bacteria in your gut. According to a study published in the British Journal of Nutrition, the prebiotic effect of oatmeal supports a healthy microbiome, which plays a critical role in immune function and overall health. One of the biggest reasons people turn to oatmeal is its ability to keep you full. Oatmeal is a great option if you're looking to manage your weight. The combination of fiber and complex carbohydrates helps slow the digestion process, preventing those mid-morning cravings. A 2015 study found that participants who ate oatmeal for breakfast felt fuller for longer and consumed fewer calories throughout the day. So if you're trying to cut down on snacking or manage your weight, a bowl of oatmeal could be your new best friend. When it comes to heart health, oatmeal shines. The soluble fiber in oats binds to cholesterol-rich bile acids in your intestines and helps remove them from the body. This process helps lower your LDL cholesterol, which is a major risk factor for heart disease. According to the American Heart Association, consuming at least 3 grams of beta-glucan from oats daily can help reduce cholesterol levels. For those who are mindful of their blood sugar levels, oatmeal can be incredibly helpful. The complex carbohydrates in oats release glucose into the bloodstream more slowly than processed grains, helping to prevent spikes in blood sugar. A study published in the journal Nutrients showed that regular consumption of oatmeal can help improve insulin sensitivity in individuals with type 2 diabetes. That said, if you're diabetic or pre-diabetic, it's important to opt for steel-cut or rolled oats, as instant oatmeal can be loaded with added sugars that negate the benefits. Now, let's talk about something you might not have considered. While oatmeal is packed with benefits, it's not always the right choice for everyone. For people with celiac disease or gluten sensitivity, oats can sometimes be problematic. While oats are naturally gluten-free, they are often processed in facilities that handle wheat, barley, or rye, which can lead to cross-contamination. If you have a gluten sensitivity, be sure to choose oats that are certified gluten-free to avoid any adverse reactions. Another thing to consider is portion control. Although oatmeal is healthy, eating too much can lead to weight gain, especially if you're adding sweeteners or high-calorie toppings like nuts or dried fruits. As with anything, balance is key. All right, now for the part you've been waiting for, the unexpected side effect of eating oatmeal that might just change the way you look at it. Are you ready? Oatmeal can have a significant impact on your skin. That's right. Eating oatmeal every day can give you a natural glow. The antioxidants in oats, particularly avenanthramides, help reduce inflammation and irritation in the skin. These compounds can even soothe conditions like eczema or dry skin, making your complexion look healthier and more radiant. In fact, a study published in the Journal of Drugs and Dermatology found that oats can improve skin hydration and reduce inflammation, making them a natural remedy for irritated skin. So, not only is oatmeal great for your internal health, but it can also make you look and feel better on the outside. Now, let's talk about how to make eating oatmeal more exciting. You don't have to stick with plain oats every day. Here are some fun and delicious ways to switch things up. First, try jazzing up your classic oatmeal. Instead of just oats, top it with mixed berries, a drizzle of almond butter, and maybe a sprinkle of chia seeds or cinnamon. You can change it up with whatever fruits are in season. If you're looking for something quick, an oatmeal smoothie is a great option. Just blend your cooked oats with a banana, some almond milk, and a spoonful of nut butter. In no time, you'll have a creamy, filling smoothie packed with fiber. For those busy mornings, overnight oats are a game changer. Before bed, mix oats with milk or yogurt, let it sit in the fridge overnight, and in the morning, top it with fresh fruit, nuts, or a drizzle of honey. No cooking needed. If you're into meal prepping, baked oatmeal is perfect. Combine oats with eggs, milk, fruit, and nuts, then bake it. Make a big batch and you've got a warm, hearty breakfast ready for the whole week. And if you're craving a treat, try oatmeal pancakes. Swap out the flour for oats to make healthy, gluten-free pancakes. You can even toss in bananas or blueberries for some added sweetness. These are just a few simple ways to keep your oatmeal exciting and delicious. How's that? These options give people a lot of variety while still getting all the amazing benefits of oatmeal. By adding oatmeal to your daily routine, you're doing much more than just fueling your body. You're actively supporting your heart, gut, and even your skin. But as we discussed, it's important to make sure oatmeal fits into your diet in a balanced way, especially if you have any sensitivities. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family. And make sure to hit that subscribe button for more informative videos that can make a positive impact on your health and wellness journey. We'd love to hear from you. What's your favorite way to enjoy oatmeal? Or have you noticed any unexpected benefits from eating it regularly? Drop a comment below and let's start a conversation. Also, if you'd like to support the channel, feel free to send a super thanks or check out our merchandise. Remember, prioritizing your health is the best investment you can make. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.